Number 9, you're just going to simplify these. Okay, these are all square roots. So we need to break these down using looking for perfect roots. Okay, so the factors that make up 75, there are a lot, but we want to break it up into parts that have perfect roots. So this can be 25 times 3. So this splits into radical 25 times radical 3. Radical 25 becomes the number 5. Then nothing happens to that radical 3. So that would be its final answer. Okay, next here we have 8 and 80. So we can break that up into, I think, 8 times 10. There's a perfect square in hold on, I can use, what about 4 and 20? No, 8. What about 16? I think 16 times 5 works, right? Yeah, 5, 8, yes. So 16 times 5 works, right? So this breaks up into 16 times 5, okay? So it goes into its own radical, radical 16 times radical 5. Radical 16 becomes a 4, nothing happens to that radical 5. That will be its final answer. Next, square root 32. Square root 32 breaks down into radical 16 times 2. So now we split in its own radical. Radical 16 times radical 2. Radical 16 is a perfect square, which becomes 4. Nothing happens to the radical 2 that's left on the right hand side. D. 28 can be broken up into 4 times 7. So it's radical 4 times radical 7. Radical 4 simplifies into a 2. Nothing happens to that radical 7. Next, we have radical 49. Radical 49 breaks down into radical 9 times 5. Becomes radical 9 times radical 5. Radical 9 simplifies to a 3 because that's its perfect square. Nothing happens to that radical 5. So there you go. That is how you simplified the radicals.